journey of selling, how often have we seen customers glued to the idea of price and the salesman trying to sell solely on the basis of price? There's a limit to which you can reduce your price, and once you have reached your bottom line and your competitors have reached the bottom line, what do you do beyond this? You can't reduce your price further. Your company will not allow you to do that. So what do? You start begging, you start pleading, you start looking at foul means of trying to bag the order. What do? Please look at the journey from price to value. I can't possibly sell my product well only on the basis of price. I need to understand as a salesperson that what are the elements that I need to add to the element of price to convert it into value. Because every customer wants to buy value. How many times have you heard a customer saying that this is value for money, this is valuable for me, and hence I have bought this product. So when he says that I bought value, what does it really mean? And as a salesperson, what do you really add to this element of price to make it value? You must have seen that if I have to offer a product for a price A, and if I am able to add convenience in the shopping. Many a times a customer doesn't want to go to a very crowded marketplace and he says that I would rather pay some amount extra if I can conveniently go and shop. You have seen these new generation malls where customers come and buy in a very air-conditioned atmosphere with a nice layout of the store. Why is the customer coming to a mall and not going to a wholesale supermarket? Because he has convenience there. He has valet parking, he has a parking place, he doesn't run into the risk of his car getting scratched, and he doesn't jostle anywhere. He enters the shop and there's a lot of convenience attached. So the customer says, alright, if I get this convenience, I'm ready to pay a bit extra price for this convenience. Alright, so I have gone a step forward in my journey from price to value. So I add convenience to my buying behavior. You must have seen ICICI Bank bringing doorstep services for customers. And customers said, alright, if you can come to my house and open my savings account, I don't mind opening my account with your bank. What did the customer do? Customer saw value in the doorstep services. That was convenience added to the price. Does the journey end here? No, definitely not. Going a next step in this journey, there is an element of energy saving. Remember, I first added price, I added convenience, and now I add an element of energy saving. So in the process of making that purchase as a customer, if I conserve my energy, if I save my energy, I'm ready to pay an extra price for it. So what do I mean by energy saving? Suppose the customer is trying to buy a laptop and a salesman comes and sits with the customer at his convenience in his house or his office and tries to explain the advanced features of the laptop, and the customer says, alright, along with the laptop, this salesman has also conserved my energy vis-a-vis trying to learn how to use this laptop better. So I have saved some energy in making best use of this product. I don't mind paying a small price extra, which is extra to the basic price, if I get this service. So by now in this journey on price, I have added convenience, and on top of convenience, I have also added an element of energy saving for the customer. I am 2 steps ahead in this journey from price to value. So price plus convenience plus energy saving, and I need to add another element there. There's an element of lifestyle. Customers like to buy products and services which gives them a better lifestyle. I love to buy a Park Avenue shirt. I love to buy a Zodiac t-shirt. I love to buy a Color Plus trousers. Why? Because when I wear a Color Plus trouser and move around, people who watch me, they say, oh wow, this guy has got a Color Plus trouser, so he has got some style, he has got some lifestyle with it, attached with it. So when a product attaches some lifestyle element in it, customer says, alright, I'm ready to pay a bit extra. So this journey starts from price, you add convenience, customer is ready to pay something more. You add further going ahead energy saving, customer is ready to pay something more. And then you add lifestyle to it, your price has now become value. This is the journey from price to value. So next time you go out selling, ask yourself, am I able to attach these 3 elements on the basic price to be able to get a better value for the customer? When you try and do value selling, you'll fetch higher prices for your product and you'll save more money for your company and earn more incentive for yourself. Enjoy selling.